sweet grief. I know you will be the death of me. Feel like the morning after ecstasy. I am drowning in an endless sea. Hello, old friend. There's a misery that knows no end. So I'm doing everything I can to make sure I never love again. I wish that I did not know where our broken lovers go. I wish that my heart was made of stone. Yeah, if I was bulletproof, I'd love you black and blue. If I was solid like a Jew, if I had a diamond heart, if I had a diamond heart, I'd walk straight through the bullet, bend like a tulip, flew out of foolish, never mind the bruises, into the fire, breaking through the wire, give you what I got. If I walk straight through a dagger, never break the pattern, diamonds will shatter, beautiful and battered, into the force of cry, you an ocean, give you what I got.
It was just like magic when your hips came crashing. There were fires burning and my hands numb in the paint with passion. It was planets meeting, it was synced up breathing. There were angels calling and more free falling than I believed in. Yeah, memories like freight trains hit me. I replay to keep you with me. Better to have had than not at all. We were chasing stars, crossed the county lines, two imperfect pieces, with our fingers intertwined. And I would do it all again, blowing